As a troubleshoot for any connection problem, if you want to hard or factory reset your Edifier TWS NB2 Pro, in today's video we'll show you two different ways how to take it back to its default settings manually and with the app. You can follow the first process if your Edifier is connected to your device and also you are using an Edifier Connect App. Open the Edifier Connect App, tap on this wheel icon or settings, and then from the bottom tap on factory settings, and from this pop-up confirm the reset process. Your Edifier headphones will reset and go straight into pairing mode, which is flashing green and white LED. You can then just pair it with the device of your choice. For the next reset process, first, from the Bluetooth section, make sure to forget or unpair Edifier. Now after that, grab the charging box while the bars are inside them, and then quickly press twice on this charging case button. A flashing white LED will show up. That means the reset is in progress. This will end up in blinking green and white LED. That means it's on pairing mode. You can then just go ahead pair it with any device of your choice. So these are the two simple ways that you can quickly reset your Edifier TWS NB2 Pro. Hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching.